Hello guys, today we're gonna be doing Flash Flood Survival. What do you guys have to say about this?
Yeah!
Let's hop in.
Right.
Guys, let's go.
See you guys there.
My strategy, literally my strat is to get the lower ones first.
That's what I just said, midget.
Did you just call me a midget?
Yes.
Man, I fell. Okay guys, now we have to wait for them. Montage.
Get up! Wait, I didn't press every button. I didn't press every button. I missed one. No cube gets left behind.
No dog gets left behind.
No cube gets left behind. No cube gets left behind.
Just insert the freaking trolls. No.
How did I miss this? I literally pressed it. Okay. Sorry. That's my fault. Wait for me.
Oh no, I'm already
Yeah,
almost.
it's my time.
I'm already almost done.
No, don't. No, don't be already almost done.
Oh, I have one more button to go.
No, don't leave me. Ugh, I'm not gonna leave you.
I won't, cause I have remorse.
No cube gets left behind.
Guys, I did
That's how
it!
they do it. I still haven't gotten it.
You just wall jump. Pinch climb?
I died. You have to?
No. And then wall bounce up it.
I don't like pinch climbing. I'm not necessarily good at it.
But I gotta keep going. I have to keep going for the sake of the video.
Ugh, no. What do I do?
Unless you have really jump to this platform.
Which platform?
That one on the ground.
Oh
No. I have to keep going. Okay. Oh yes. See you later, alligators. Ah!
Yo, we should play PvP.
Okay, guys, and I defeated it. Yippee! And now I'm just gonna defeat it for a few more times just to get some apples. Say goodbye. You know the rules, and so do I.
Get up.
Say goodbye.